Hello students, today we are going to start Standard 7th, Subject Maths, Chapter number 10, Banks and Simple Interest. Practice set 40, textbook page number 73. First question, Rihanna deposit 1500 rupees in the school fund at 9 PCPA for 2 years. What is the total amount she will get? So let's find the amount and interest. So first of all, we will write the given. Principal is 1500 and rate is 9 PCPA and time is 2 year. Interest we don't know and amount we don't know. So we have to use the formula of simple interest, principal into rate into time upon 100. So principal is 1500, rate is 9 and time is 2 upon 100. So this 0 I have cancelled with this 0. What remains? 15 multiplied by 9 multiplied by 2. So this 3 we have multiplied and we get 270. So interest is 270. Now let's find the amount. Principal plus interest. So principal value and plus interest value which we have taken out. So which we have done the plus, we get 1770. So Rihanna will get 1770 amount. Now let's see the second question. Jethalal took a housing loan of 2,50,000 rupees from a bank at 10 PCPA for 5 years. What is the yearly interest he must pay and total amount he returned to the bank? So let's take out. So first of all, given we have written principal 2,50,000, rate 10 PCPA, time 5 years, and interest per year we don't know, and amount we don't know. So let's find out. So interest per year, what we will write? Principal into rate upon 100. We didn't return the time because we have to take out yearly interest. So principal value and rate of interest value upon 100. This 20 is cancelled with this 10 and this 10. So what remains? 25,000 interest per year. Now let's find the yearly interest multiplying with 5 years. So interest for 5 years, 25,000 into 5. What interest we get now? 1,25,000. Now let's find the amount. Amount equal to principal plus interest, principal value and plus amount value which we just now we have taken out. So we have done the plus, we get 3,75,000. So the yearly interest is 25,000 as we have taken out, and after that Jethalal will return a total amount of 3,75,000 to the bank. So in this way you have to solve second sum. Now let's see the third sum. Shrikant deposit 85,000 rupees for 2.5 years at 7 PCPA in a saving bank. Amount, what is the total interest he receive at the end of the period? So let's see this. While 2.5 we will write 2.50. I will show you this thing. So this is the third question. First of all, we will write given principal rupees 85,000, rate of interest 7 PCPA, time 2.5 year. So we will write 2.50 years and interest we don't know. So let's find the interest. So the formula of interest will be principal into rate plus time upon 100. So we have put in the value and cancel zeros. So what remains? 850 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 2.50. So we have multiplied this, as you can see here, 850 by 7, we get 5950. So 5950 I have multiplied with 2.50. So what is the answer? You can see here 14,875. Shrikant will receive 14,875 at the end of the period. Now let's see the fourth question. At a certain rate of interest, the interest after 4 years on 5,000 rupees principal is 1,200 rupees. What would be the interest on 15,000 rupees at the same rate of interest for the same period? Let's check out. First of all, we will write given rupees 5,000 principal, time 4 years, interest 1,200, rate of interest we don't know, and I2 is 15,000 because we have to see what is the interest on rupees 15,000, that is I2. So first of all we will find I1 because we don't know. No, we know, that is 1,200 I1, and principal we know, rate we don't know, and time we know 4 year upon 100. So 20 I have cancelled. So what remains? 50 into R into 4, and this value as it is. Now we don't know R, so we have taken out rate of interest equal to 1,200 I have written here, and this 50 into 4 down. So 50 multiplied by 4, 200. So I have cancelled this 20 again. So 2, 6 are 12. So that's why 6 I have written. So R is equal to 6 we get. So let's find, let the interest on rupees 1,000, let's find the interest on rupees 15,000 be rupees X. So X upon 15,000, and this interest I1 upon principal we have written. So X we have taken out, and same thing I have written I1 principal into this 15,000 I2. I have cancelled this 30 with this. So what remain? 1,200 into 15 upon 5. So you can multiply this 2, you will get 18,000 upon 5, or otherwise you can cancel this 5 ones and 5 threes also. It will be easy. So anyhow the answer will be the same only. So what we get? 3,600. So the interest is rupees 3,600. So let's see the fifth question. If Pankaj deposits 1,50,000 rupees in a bank at 10 PCPA for 2 years, what is the total amount he will get from the bank? So let's see. First of all, we will write given as usually. Given principal is equal to 1,50,000, rate of interest 10 PCPA, time 2 years, amount we don't know. So let's write the interest, simple interest formula. Principal plus rate of interest into time upon 100. So let's put the value. We'll cancel the zeros. 1 zeros from here and 1 0 from here. And what remains? 15,000 into 2. So we have multiplied and we get 30,000 interest. Now amount equal to principal plus interest. So principal, as you know, 1,50,000, and interest we have taken out, that is 30,000. So we have done the plus, we get 1,80,000. So Pankaj will get 1,80,000. So in this way you have to complete practice set 40. Thank you, students.